was just a 24-year-old kid. I was a virgin. I moved here. It's my brother and his husband. I'm Queen Anne, and I moved to Capitol Hill. What I believe is true, what I feel is true, and how much the city means to me. And also, I'd like to say, there's this incredible chicken teriyaki place. It's on Capitol Hill by the hospital. It's called Teriyaki Madness. And it's so